Hi guys, so it is about 8 in the morning or so. We got up early this morning because we're gonna go running. Yay! I think I mentioned in another video that we're doing the color run in May. So since our dance class is over on Tuesdays, what we're gonna be doing now is going for a run. Pretty exhausted, but it's exciting. I'm gonna go with my sister and my friend Natalie. I intend to run more days out of the week, but this the one day we're doing it together. So a tender moment between the grandfather and his grandson.
Ay, con su avioncito te vete mucho.
Una pancita aquí.
Of course she would.
Para comer.
Smother her.
Smother.
¿Qué, mi amor? ¿Qué? Hello.
Would have been great if we had that.
It's very social.
And we had a video of the of when he pooped and peed. That's amazing.
Ay,
Pero
pues
eso
no
no
me
te lo
dejaron
dejan.
terminar.
Well, I did have a video of, I said,
Te agarra,
this
ya.
is post
Ya
poop
sintió que estás ahí.
explosion.
Poop
Mira
explosion.
cómo te ve, mija. Mira.
Pues sí, estoy enfrente de él.
Ya sintió ya la cara de papi. Mira. Ahí tapón.
Oh.
Moviste la carina bonito.
Casi le quita el bigote.
Uy, mi niño.
Ándale, sácale el
Habla fuerte,
bigote,
¿no?
ándale. Ñam, ñam, ñam.
Ya
Look
me
at his
legs. No deja de mover las piernitas.
Ayer
mira.
puse la música y empezó a bailar. Y estaba haciendo así, but he was going at the rhythm of the song. It was so funny.
Mira, cuando hablas voltea, mira.
Huh?
¿Qué
Hi,
fue, mi
baby!
amor? ¿Qué fue?
Aw, she stopped. Go, Jess! Woo! Marathon. It's good. Oh, I need to block that out. Oops. Saw some license plates.
All the sweets
How
for
pretty.
businesses there.
It's all like hiding behind the clouds, like that Barney song. I feel like I have a fever and I've been sweating all night.
Wow.
I'm gonna be sore in the morning. I just ran a lot. Natalie and Perez. I am exhausted. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about that. They're looking at me like I'm crazy though. They're like, you're always recording. I know. Making some eggs here. They look so yummy. Snap, crackle, pop.
Muy grande y de cartón. Se lava sus manitas con agua y con jabón. Se desenreda el pelo con peine de marfil. Y aunque se destirones, no llora ni así.
Daddy.
Ay,
Well.
Le gusta ver las pictures, mira.
Let me see. Look what my dad just made for my nephew.
Oh, I took a small video in your camera from the room.
Baby, do you like it? It'd be funny if he threw up right now.
Le dan vueltas y vueltas hasta que se duerma.
Aw, that's so interesting, Dad. Wow.
Kind of creepy, but interesting.
Oh, there it was. Currently, we are gonna go to supermarket.
Employees store their money just like the Caymans, some with questionable background.
Fun stuff.
Russia may have an interest in Cyprus's undeveloped.
I hate when seatbelts don't click right away.
There you go. So perhaps there'll be
My mom's getting all
ways to make it be a
perfumed out. Seriously? I didn't hear a click. film the road all the time.
¿Vamos a tu cine?
Sí, si quieres. Look at the flags. That's cool. We are currently leaving the gas station. And it's kind of dark out here. We're going through the back way. Look at that. I can't really see that, but yeah. My stomach. Pollo Loco.
Loco pollo.
Crazy chicken.
Chicken
I
crazy.
know it.
Bórralo, ma.
I can't. I'm gonna put that up. I'm gonna put it up.
¿Estás fregando? Bórralo, ma.
I know she's
Inmediata luego.
pretending to be ashamed, but she's not. I think this is the end of my day. I'm gonna go back home and have some dinner and put the camera away. Yeah, that's all for my Tuesday. Hope you guys had a happy Tuesday, and I will see you guys tomorrow.